By the way you stare, the way you rolled up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress.
Y'all, this is Glueless. Like, get into it. Oh, right. Purr. The part is giving what it's supposed to give.
If you love me just like you say you do.
Okay, what's up? Shut up. Yes. Cause what you know about me? What you know about me? My lip gloss is popping. Period. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. I got cramps, but I'm feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Yes, God is so good, y'all, and I'm just thankful. But before I get into my extra read all about it, I want to send a big thank you to KlaiyiHair for sponsoring today's video. Like, they sent me this banging unit. Okay. Because I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. But all of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their website. And if they provide me with a coupon code, I'll list that down below as well. So make sure you read the description box, okay? Do it. But let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Yo, I got a song for everything. Try me, okay? You can say hair, and I got a song. Long hair, don't care. Yes, like I got a song for everything. My plants, my garden, my wigs, my mood. I got a song for everything. So y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm going to drop those cons on you, and then we're going to roll right into the pros, and then we're going to wrap this video on up. So, yo, honestly, I don't have no cons when it comes to this wig. The only, thing that irritated me a little bit is when I was shampooing and deep conditioning this hair was tangling. It did snag, but as you can see, it's not snagging anymore. But that irritated me. But other than that, we good. We all good in the neighborhood. So if I was to give you a con, that would be it. That's it. Okay? So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the hair. Now, yes, it did snag. I mean, it's human hair. My human hair snags. But it's so soft. It's so beautiful. This color is popping, okay? We keep it on and popping. I love this color so much. And I try to stay away from chocolate brown wigs because I feel like it blends into my skin tone too much. But yo, this is sick. She is get it right, get it right, get it tight. But the next pro I would have to say is the lace. The lace did come kind of brown and it blended in with my skin tone so well. I did not have to apply any makeup underneath the lace. And y'all, I'm wearing this unit glueless. I did apply some pressed powder in the parting space to make it pop. So you know it wouldn't blend in too much, but y'all, we is sitting pretty, okay? No complaints. As far as the wig being big hair friendly, this wig was too big for your girl, but I am wearing my wig grip and I adjusted the straps in the back, and she ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere, okay? Unless, you know, somebody get to fighting, but fighting is so ghetto. I don't do that anymore, okay? My nails cost too much. My wigs cost too much. Like, who has time for that? As far as shedding, I did receive a little bit of shedding when I was shampooing and deep conditioning the hair. I did receive some minor shedding, but it's nothing to get upset about. Overall, I think this unit is very nice. It is beginner friendly. It does come with a fake scalp, but the fake scalp was too light for your girl. So I went ahead and cut it out. It was easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Let me see you 1, 2 step. Yes. So I didn't list the fake scalp as a con because some people like the fake scalps, but it just doesn't match your girl. If it matched my skin tone, then you know I would rock with it, but it's not matching me, so it gotta go. Honestly, y'all, no complaints. I mean, I let the wig speak for itself. Like, it's just beautiful. I straightened it. I was gonna curl it, but y'all, this hair is a long. And I just felt like the curls was gonna drop and it would have been a waste of my time. But I really do need a good holding space. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all, because there's not a whole lot for me to say. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Shanise Nicole _. The direct link to my page will be listed down below in the description box. And I just want to take a moment to thank y'all so much for the continued support. For those who continue to watch me, you know, if you look at my channel, my views is low right now. But it's okay. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep pushing. We are still in a pandemic, even though everybody outside. All right. So, you know, I just have to look at it like that. My spirits is still uplifting. I still have opportunities being presented to me. And I have one coming up that I'm so excited about. So if you're a fellow content creator and you know your numbers is kind of slow, it happens to the best of us. Don't let it keep you down. Yes, you love your channel. You want to focus on your channel, but don't let it consume you, okay? Keep doing you. Keep pushing. I just want to thank the people that continue to support me, you know, because people are not obligated to support you. Some people stop supporting me. Some people stop watching me, and it's all good in the neighborhood. People have lives. People are going through things, or some people just don't want to watch me no more. Either way, it's still good. Stop looking at people and think just because it doesn't look good to you, it's not looking good behind the scenes because your girl is doing well. All right. So I just wanted to say thank y'all real quick. I truly appreciate it. Once again, I want to send a big thank you to KlaiyiHair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yeah. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.